Hi students, today we are going to learn about an assumed mean method. So it is also the same, the class interval is given, frequency is given. The formula for assumed mean method is x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi di divided by sigma fi. Clear? So frequency f is given here, that's the number of the students. We have to find the d is nothing but x minus assumed mean. So assumed value from the frequency we are going to subtract, then we will multiply and do. So let me draw the table. First is for the same class interval, next is for number of students, so which is as usual we will find as a fi. So next we will find the mid value, right? Xi. So let me draw the box and write it. So here we go. First we are going to find the mid value xi, the middle of the 10 and 25. We can find 10 plus 25 by 2. It will be 17.5. So mid value of 25 to 40, that is 25 plus 40 divided by 2 is 32.5. Next 40 and 55 midpoint. 40 plus 55 by 2 we will be getting a 47.5. Next 55 to 70. 55 plus 70 by 2 we will be getting a 62.5, and 72 85 to 77.5. Finally 85 to 100 it will be 92.5. Clear? So next we are going to find the di, so which is required in the formula. So di is nothing, just we are going to subtract this xi with the center. The center will, let me choose the center of the xi. Here the center of the xi we have an 2 value, right? We can choose any one of them things and we can subtract with all the a. So xi minus a. So let me choose xi minus a as the 47.5. Okay, so any of the center value you can choose. So I am here the center we got 2 values. So let me take the first one. You can try for second one also. So xi minus 47.5. So 17 minus 47.5 we will be getting it as the minus 30, right? Okay, 32 points. So xi here is a 32. 32.5 minus 47.5 is again is a negative 15. 47.5 minus 47.5 is a 0. Here 62.5 minus 47.5 is a positive 30. Sorry, 15. 77.5 minus 47.5 is a 30, and 92.5 minus 47.5 is a 45. Clear? Now we've got a di. So you can choose this a any value. That a is what we are going to substitute in this formula here also. So what a we choose, we have to know it. A we have chosen as a 47.5. We can choose the middle value. So now we found a di. So we need fi into di. So let me draw one more table for fi into di. Let me solve here. So fi into di is this is fi and this is di. So just leave this the center value, just to multiply the fi value with the di. F1 is a 2 into minus 30 is a minus 60, 3 into minus 15 is a minus 45, 7 to 0 will be 0, 6 into 15 is a 90, 6 into 30 is the 180, and 6 into 45 is the 270, right? So we need this sigma fi di, which is equal to we have to add, so minus 60 minus 45 is 105, go to 75, 5, 17, 3, 4. So 435 is the sigma fi di. So we found a sigma fi di. Next we need a sigma fi, right? So here is the sigma fi. Oh, I written here. Okay, I will write here. Sigma fi is equal to, just avoid this, I'm writing here. Just you add all these things. 2 plus 3 plus 7, 36 is 30, right? So we got all the things. Just you substitute it. So x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi di divided by sigma fi. A is a 47.5 plus sigma fi dA is a 435. We have added and found 435 divided by sigma fi is the 30. So let me divide this, then we'll add. It will be easy. So you can divide by 3 tables and we can make a decimal. 47.5 plus 3 1 times 12 4 times 15 5 times and 0, so I am giving a one more decimal. Now we just add, we will be getting an answer. 47 plus 40 61.1 62. So our mean value is a 62. So only thing here we are subtracting with the a. You can choose any from the center of the xi, any middle one you can choose and you can do. So here we go to the next problem. A class teacher has the following absentees record of 40 students of a class for the whole team. So 40 means if you add this frequency, we have to get as a 40. Find the mean number of a days a student was absent. So you can see that frequency in the 2 digit. So sure, we can go for a assumed mean method where our calculation will be very easy. So the first is the same. We will be writing the class interval. Here it is given as a number of days and the frequency is number of students, that's a fi, and next we will find a mid value xi. So next we have to find a di is equal to xi minus a, then we will multiplying fi into di. So let me fill this column. So here you can see that I have filled that class interval in the column wise and the frequency also. So now we have to find the mid value. The middle of the 0 and 6 is a 3 and 4 to 10 6 to 10 is a 8 and 10 to 14 is the 12. Next to 14 to 20 is the 17. 20 to 28 is 24. 28 to 38 is 33 and 38 to 40 is 39, right? So let me find first here sigma fi. If we add, it should be the 40 as per the question. We can add and we can check 10 20 21, so we get it as a 40. So you can choose the a as the middle of the xi. So 17 is the middle. Let me choose a as the 17. That's xi minus 17. Let me subtract. 3 minus 17 is the minus 14. 8 minus 17 is the minus 9. 12 minus 17 is the minus 5. 17 minus 17 is 0. 24 minus 17 is a plus 7, right? Yeah. 33 minus 17 is the 16 and 39 minus 17 is the 22. Clear? So now we got a DA. So what is the A? So A is equal to, we have to choose as a 70, right? So now we go for the multiplication fi into DA. Just avoid this in between. Just I'm hiding it so it will be easy to do. So 11 into negative 14 will become a 154. 10 into minus 9 is the 90. 7 into minus 5 is minus 35. 4 into 0 is a 0. 4 into 7 is the 28. 3 into 16 is the 48. And 1 into 22 is the 22. So we need a sigma fi di. Just we will add everything. Here is the here you have to remember that it is the negative, so we have to subtract. Just add these things and add here one more things. So we have to get in that. I think the here the negative value is higher and positive is lower, so we will get fi into d as negative. So here, so if we add these three things, we will be getting it as a minus 9 7 279. If we add these three things, 18 9 98, right? This is a negative 278 plus 98. So minus 278 plus 98 is sure negative 181. So it is the negative. But don't worry, final answer we will get in the positive, I hope. Let's do. So x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi di divided by sigma fi, right? So here the a value is the 17 that we have chose, plus sigma fi d is a negative 181 divided by sigma fi is the 40. Yeah, if we divide it is less than the 17, so not a problem. So 17 plus into minus is minus. If we divide just 4 table, then we can keep one more decimal. It will be like in 4.525. Yes, it is in the 4.525. So we got a final answer in the positive. Since we need answer from the 6 to 40 only, so sure it will have to be a positive. So 17 minus 4 is a 12.475. So this is our required mean. Clear? Thank you.